Hey guys, here we're going to do a service on this Ford Bronco. We're going to change the oil and also change the filter. We're going to go under there and drain the oil and then look for where the oil filter is, where it's located, so that we can get it changed. So now we're going to start it to see if everything is going good. Just finished an oil change on a 2023 Ford Bronco that sat for 3 years. The oil was thick and overdue, but after changing it and adding fresh oil, it started right up. The owner was shocked, proving that with the right care, even neglected cars can return to life.
I lost everything twice. I don't know if you've ever lost everything before, but I've been bottomed out twice. I done seen rock bottom 2 times. I've been through some walls up in here, man. I'm just trying to tell you, man, God is really with you. You ain't gotta believe me. You ain't gotta believe me. But keep doing it without God. Let me know how it worked for you.